Hello, dear viewers and guests of our channel. We are glad that you decided to give us your precious time. Do you like to spend time watching your favorite sports matches or cheer for your favorite club? What if we offer you to experience the euphoria of a successful bet on the victory of your favorite club in football, soccer, or basketball? Interested? Then watch our video to the end and get information about the top 3 bookmakers. In the description, you will find all the necessary links and promo codes which will be discussed today. Be sure to use them and make your bets profitable. And now, make yourself comfortable because we are starting. Third place, NetUSR. Service NetUSR opens our top 3. Really, a worthy candidate for your attention. Everything is here. A convenient and functional website, quick access to current matches of any sport, including everyone's favorite basketball, but also about other sports. They also did not forget the opportunity to replenish the account with dollars or Bitcoin. A convenient filter will allow you to find matches, leaving only those that you intend to watch in the near future. For example, the next game of the World Cup. Especially for our viewers, a bonus in the form of plus 150% to the amount of the first deposit, which can be activated by entering the Sports100FP promo code. Let's say you top up your account with $200. In this case, the system gives you $300 on top. Agree, it is very profitable and incredible. To get the bonus, you need to top up your account in the amount of $100 or more. However, if you want to test the site, then $50 is enough. Second place, BetUS. BetUS betting platform is on the podium of the second place, a convenient and most importantly, reliable site for betting on soccer matches and other sports, the World Cup standings, the most current NBA League matches, and much more. To start betting, just follow the link in the description, create an account, go through a quick verification process, and start the game. You can do it right now. By the way, the promo code JOIN125 will allow you to get plus 125% to the amount of replenishment. Let's say you put $200 in and get $250 on top. In order for your bonus to work, you need to make a deposit of $100 or more. But what if you first want to check the operation of this site? Everything is simple. In this case, it is enough to deposit at least $10 and make a couple of bets to understand for yourself all the advantages of the BetUS platform. You can always find all the links and promo codes presented in our video in the description. There is also all the relevant information about the latest changes in the top. First place, Bovada, and Bovada closes our top 3, the leader from the list of bookmakers, which is a favorite place of thousands of fans from around the world. A convenient website, fast betting service, and money withdrawal are some of the main advantages of this service. Here, you can bet not only in dollars, but also in bitcoins. It is gratifying that Bovada encourages technological progress and allows such a possibility. This is also experienced in bonuses. In the case of dollar deposit, you get plus 50% to the deposit amount. But if you want to deposit bitcoins, it is enough to activate the promo code BTCSWB750, which will bring you plus 75% to the deposit amount. In particular, Bovada offers you to watch football and other matches directly on their official website without delay. This is the end of our video. Thank you for giving us your precious time. All the presented promo codes and link to services are in the description, and therefore, you will definitely not lose them. And remember, gambling addiction is very bad. Treat betting as a way to have fun and earn some extra money. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. All the best and see you soon.